you all are with me, focused, please type focus in the chat box. Very nice. Guys, I have one very important announcement for everyone. As I said, mention going forward, all session going to be live. All session going to be live. So starting from the next week, we are going to cover the Azure, then Terraform, Docker, Kubernetes, Ansible. Everything will be live. So that is the most and first important announcement for you. Now, next announcement is we are going to invite everybody in this live session. So now this live session will be open for everyone from the community. It means anyone who want to start their DevOps journey, regardless of where they are, they will be able to join it. But now question is how you will be different from them. And along with that, when these other people going to join this, so they will be also doing the assignments. There will be different activities where they are going to participate, quizzes, project exactly the way you do. And based on that, we are also going to create a show board for them, or as you see, leaderboard for them. So based on their assignment submission, live session attendance, task, quizzes, project, they are also going to get some points. And we are going to display those names on the leaderboard where they can see who is top 5, who is top 10, who is top 50, who is top 100. So we can see all those details. Now, this is challenge for you people who is already in top 100. We notice some of you are not active. You are not participating as you supposed to. So people who is in top 100 who's not participating, so you will be removed from top 100, and people who are coming from the open community, they are live in the session, they are completing their assignments, they will become part of this top 100. In top 100, what benefit you will be getting? You are part of the private channel, and you have the co-mentor who is supporting you, and your assignment is getting reviewed, you are getting feedback. So these are all benefits what you are getting for those 100 people. So based on their assignment submission, task, attendance, we will see the leaderboards, but we are not going to review their assignments. The day we feel some of the people need to be revoked from here, let's say 10 people, then we'll go top 10 people assignments, we will review them and we will bring them back here. And again, other people will get benefit of it. So guys, now this is the big changes what we are doing. Guys, if this is clear, type clear in the chat box. Someone was saying my voice is not clear. Guys, I'm not audible. I'm clear. All good? Super. Well, guys, so that's pretty much I wanted to cover here. Now, I will hand over to the Akash. Akash, you are here?
Yes, Pravin. Yes, I'm here. Hi, everyone.
Perfect.
Yeah, Pravin, would you like to announce champions of the week?
You can take care of it. No problem.
All right, sure. Uh, okay. Let me share my screen. Hi everyone, how are you all doing? Okay, so I have a
Very
few.
well.
Perfect. Yeah, I have a few announcements. First, let's start with this showdown. Okay, before I go to the good stuff, that is champions of the week and another thing that we are going to announce today. I have a few guidelines or rules to set for this showdown that we are doing right now, because I have seen a lot of discrepancies and not sure whether it's because I was not able to communicate the rules properly, or a few people are doing it deliberately. But I want to set the record straight so that it doesn't happen again. All right. I have seen a lot of you are putting one activity multiple times to get points, right? I posted some messages on the group as well, and I hope it was clear that you cannot do that. So for example, if you have done a LinkedIn post, add your name, go to that particular cell before your name, just add the link to your post and get the point once. You cannot get points for just one activity multiple times. That's not what it is about. All right. So that is one. Second, from now on, I think I posted the message on three groups because that's where I saw the discrepancy. Okay, post on different dates. Uh, see, okay, I see a few questions. Let me know if any other of you have any questions related to this. Just ask. All right. Let me share my screen also. Okay. Yeah. All right. I hope it's visible, right? Pravin, it's visible.
Yeah, I can see.
Okay. See, I'm not going to point out anyone because that won't be a good thing to do on a live call. But I just want to say, so for example, I've done something. I'll come here, add the date, my name, email, and whatever activity I have done, I'll just mention it here. So for example, if I watched a video on YouTube for more than 10 minutes, I'll just add the name of the video that I watched this video. So guys, I'll tell you the idea behind it. A lot of you must be thinking that there are certain activities that doesn't make much sense. So it is to promote that competitive spirit, right? So not everyone is going to start directly with the uh, posting on LinkedIn or maybe writing a blog, right? So these are some low hanging fruits that you can do, and this is where your integrity and honesty also come into the picture. If you are honest with yourself, of course you can do a lot in your life. You know, even though if I add a lot of checks in between, I won't be able to control and monitor each and everything. But this is to just make sure that you guys are getting some points for every activity that you are doing, right? Or it could be as simple as just helping someone on the group. And we consider it a good activity. That's why we are awarding points. Coming here, if I have a LinkedIn post, I posted something today on LinkedIn and I just want to have my points for that post. I'll just come here, paste that link, and then we done with it. I have seen a few people posting similar links twice or thrice. Same link. It's redirecting me to the same post every single time. Now this is not good on your part. Doesn't reflect good. I know the names because I'm reviewing it every single day. Second, it is not good for the other people who are doing it right and being honest. You understand it? You are kind of doing a little bit of wrong here with other people. And if you are okay with it, then of course there's something to think about. Yeah, now I'm open to questions. If you have any question, I know you will have a few questions, so just let me know. What if we did LinkedIn post on different dates, of course you can do it. If you have done a LinkedIn post on different dates on different idea, of course you post it. I'm talking about one post and you are again and again getting. So it's simple, right? If I posted that my name is Akash on LinkedIn and I am just adding that link again and again to get 20 points every single time, this is wrong. So for example, let me share it here. Okay, I added, let's say, Akash here, and I will get 20 points immediately, right? You see, this is how this sheet is created, and I again added Akash. Now this is wrong. I cannot post one single link multiple times. Those who are not taking it seriously, or not thinking too much about it, I'm going to tell you, we are going to recognize three three members who have done exceptionally well in this particular showdown, and we are going to give you certificates. Then there will be two groups, and we are going to award for these two groups. We are going to customize this certificate that this group also won the showdown, right? And it was a lot of things that they had to do. So they were good at teamwork. This is going to be on your certificate. All right. So these are two things, and from this activity itself, what okay, I'll take more questions. Okay, I guess there are more questions. Yeah. Okay, what is going on? Okay, so guys who are new to this cohort, maybe I'll share a bit about this. So there's a competition or a contest going on, that is inter-group competition. We have five groups. Group one, deployables. Group two, group three, group four, group five. Okay, so those who are in these groups, we have a competition going on, that is DMI showdown. And what is supposed to do, whatever you are doing as part of this cohort, you can just come here, uh, register your activity. So for example, you watched the video, come here and name the video. If you have attempted a quiz, come here and just type your score. This is how you will start getting some points, right? You can see these points here. Okay, so today, let's say I watch this entire class. I'll just come here, add that date, my name, my email, and I'll say, okay, I attended an entire live session from Pravin. I'll add it here, and yes, I'll get some point. Next day, if I did something else, I'll add something else, and I'll get some points. This is how I'm accumulating some points for myself and points for my group. Okay, there's a leaderboard here. This link you will get in that link sheet that I have already shared. So you can see that there are two groups on top. Okay, out of five groups, we are going to reward only or let's say award only two groups. We are going to recognize only two groups. Groups who will remain at the bottom will not get recognition. uh, what I'm trying to say is, whoever is not doing it right, you will this is the last warning I'm telling you, because it's not because that you are doing it again and again. It's because that this is harming the other people, right? They are a little demotivated. They are not understanding what they are doing wrong. So of course, and if I have to call it out, group 4 and group 3, right? I saw this multiple times on your sheets. So maybe this is something you can go back and check. If I review it today and I find someone doing it, this is either I'll just terminate you from this showdown, or I'll just remove you from the cohort altogether, right? This is unacceptable. So that's one. Second is, we also want to have someone. We also, so all the projects that are going on, right? And the idea is to give you the real picture, uh, the real feel what it's going to be when you are in a job. So that's when we decided that we will. Yeah, I'll share the sheet again. Okay. No, you cannot share. You cannot add something that you did on week 0. Okay. This activity was started from 7th of September, and you can only add things that you have been doing after 7th. Okay. So whatever you have done, you can just do it. But we got confused and hadn't updated last 2-3 days activities. Can be updated? Yes, you can. After 7, whatever you have done, you can update. Okay. Yeah. Ping the link. Yeah, I'll share the link in respective groups. Okay. Don't worry. Okay, coming to this part, so we want to give you a feel of the real, teamwork, how it works. So what we are going to do is we are going to have one team lead in every group. Okay. So what we are going to do is I and Pravin were discussing this, and we felt that there are some people with good leadership skills, and I think they can do a much better job of bringing everyone together and do good, right? I mean, have some experience and maybe help other also, catch up with this. So what we are going to do is uh, we are going to announce five team lead from each group. And how will it happen? Simple. We will share a Google form, and we would want you to fill that form, share your motivation, experience, and whatever it is that you feel you are the right candidate for that role. And that's when we will evaluate and let you know the team lead for the group. Now, this team lead will work only for 2 weeks on one or two projects. Based on how the person performs, we either will continue or will give a other person the chance, right? This is to help help bring out that leadership or managerial capabilities of yours. Okay, the form will have a few things. Simple, your motivation, your availability, and maybe a little bit of your experience and skills that you feel will be much helpful, right? Now, how will it work? You already have co-mentors. Okay. Uh, so what you are going to do is you're going to work with co-mentor, mostly community manager, that is me. Co-mentors are already occupied with other things. So what we are going to do is we are going to work together and make sure that the active group members are provided with the required support. Okay, so this is another thing, and a lot of you will benefit from it. Now we of course don't want to do it for everyone, so there are going to be only five people, and we'll of course give you that certificate, and we'll mention what you have accomplished in this in the uh, remaining time in this cohort. Okay, I'll share that Google form, and would appreciate if you can just reply by tomorrow morning. Okay, tomorrow evening we'll announce it. Any questions here? Just let me know. Any questions? You can just type it in the chat. I'll reply. Or Praveen, if you want to add anything to this, uh, you can go.
Yeah, so just quick notes here, guys. It's very simple idea as Akash said. Okay, so there are people who has some leadership qualities, uh, team managing qualities, team leading qualities. So we identified that, we noticed that. So we want to give them extra recognition. How? So when you do your work for the 2 weeks, then when we will give the final certificate, then we will also add there you work for the 2 weeks or the 3 weeks as a team lead, and you have done this. So this is going to add extra values when you will go and show your certificate to any hiring manager, any recruiter. And what we are doing here, nothing is hidden, right? This is public forum. This all DevOps training, all work, right? So anyone can go and review it. You not need to prove that. So only idea is to identify those people and give some extra credits as a certificate, so you can go ahead and showcase to your potential future hiring manager, employer, and those people nowadays always need leader. No people, no company want someone is sitting and doing some back office work. So this is very good quality everyone looking for, at least in these days IT industry. So that is all idea behind that. I hope you all will be taking advantage of it and contributing as much as you can. Yeah, I think that's all from my side, Akash. Over to you.
Okay. Thank you, Praveen. I see a couple of questions here. Can we break down the assignment and post? So on day one, we did week five assignment and five another row. Yeah, yeah, of course you can do this, right? So, okay, sorry. I think you are asking that if I divided my assignment on 2 days, then I'm posting it two times. No, you cannot do that. One assignment is one single activity, right? So, for example, if I have an assignment and I'm doing it for 7 days, I cannot just keep posting, for 7 days. This is not correct. Okay, so you can just post one assignment one single time and get points for it. If we are making post blogs about concepts learned from previous weeks, can we add them also? Yes, of course. So anything that you do after seventh, right? It could be something that you learned in your college or maybe in your school, right? You can just post it. But if you are posting as part of this cohort, and you feel that this is related to this learning that you are getting here, and you are doing it after seventh, you can of course do it. Okay. See, this entire showdown or entire cohort, the idea is that you learn and you also gain that experience of working together, right? So the group, uh, we could have just one group with each one of you, right? Like simple 100 people in one group. The idea behind dividing these 100 people into five group is to make people work in group and on projects, right? So you can just collaborate more, help more, and bring something new to life. So, for example, if you see in the showdown, I have added a few activities that you do on a regular basis. So you post on LinkedIn, you write blog, but I don't know how many of you have seen there are activities like work on a case study. This is something very new. If you decide, you can find out a few people from your group, work together, maybe write a case study. This could be a big thing, and the points that you will get for that case study will also be higher than other activities, right? So yeah, I mean, there are a lot of things that, see, for small points you can do small activities, but of course for bigger points, you need bigger motivation. You need that sort of push from inside to go out, talk to people, and maybe work with them to create a new project altogether, or do a case study. All right. There are certain questions. What if someone edit our activity? See, this is something a little difficult for us to track. If someone else edit your activity, if you see that your activity is edited, it is someone from your group itself, because you only have access to edit your sheet. You cannot edit any other sheet. This is how we have done it. So if this happens, it is someone from your group. If you see that this is happening, just let me know. Okay, you can just write me in the group, on the Discord. What I'll do is I'll go to the version control. I'll go to just the previous version and see who made the last change on this particular sheet. And if I find out the person, again, the rules are very simple. We want it to be transparent, honest, and for the people who are actually contributing, right? And not someone who just want to win by hook or by crook. So it's simple. We'll just remove the person. Okay. Anything that you feel is not as per the rules, just let us know. Um, okay. All right. I think we are good. So now, coming to the last part, we have the champions of the week. Okay. So I'm going to share my screen and announce. Uh, I I'm terrible at pronouncing a few names, so please don't mind and forgive me for that. Yep. I hope it's visible. Praveen, can you see?
Yes, yes, we can.
Okay, so I'll start with group one. Okay, so this is the person, Adrina. You are our champion for group one for week two. If you are there, you can just turn on your video and maybe say hi. You scored 200 out of 200. Okay, I don't think this person is here, so I'll just move to the next person. Yeah, so group two, it is Marzina. Congratulations for group two, week two. You've done a really good job, getting 200, because I see it. People are
Thanks.
actually getting 100 out of 200, right? So I know that you have done something exceptionally well. And congratulations. Uh, all the best. Okay, I can see you now.
Yeah, thank
Can
you.
you hear?
What kind of surprise?
Oh, great. I hope you are having a fun learning experience here.
Yeah, nice. Thank you. I didn't
Perfect. Yeah.
expect it.
No, no. If you are just putting effort, someone at some point will recognize. Okay, and you're doing a good job
Okay,
again.
thank you. Thank
Yeah.
you.
So let's move on. For group three, we have Ranveer Kaur. Uh, this Ranveer, I think I have seen her coming. So she was not a part of this cohort since the beginning. I think in the first reshuffling that we did, she came in. She did a really good job of doing assignments, even though she was in the wait list. Now she's a champion, right? For week two, just this next week, she was added at week one, and now at week two, she is a champion, right? So you understand the commitment here. She came in, and in the next week itself, she is the champion.
Thank you.
So
Thank you so
of
much.
course, if Ranveer is here, can we uh, have you? Hi, Ranveer.
Hi. Hi. Thank you so much.
Yeah,
Thank you, Pravin, for
congratulations.
this session. Thank you.
Yep, you're doing a good job. Okay, guys, let's congratulate in the group in the chat itself. Okay, I'll move on to group four. So for group four, we have Vincent. I don't know which one is your first name. So Vincent Agwu Vincent. Please don't mind my pronunciation. Are you here? Okay, not sure if you are here, but
He
good
is here.
job.
I can see. He is here.
Okay, maybe my.
Yeah, really.
Vincent.
Very
Yes.
surprised. Didn't
Okay, yeah.
expect
Oh,
that to come.
yeah, yeah. I see you now. Actually, my dashboard is a little small, no, because I'm presenting my screen, so I can see only three faces. Now I can see you.
Wow.
Congratulations.
Thank you so very much. I didn't expect this. I didn't see it coming. Thank you so very much.
Yeah, always expect the unexpected. Okay, and you are doing a good job. So please continue with it. Okay, now the final one for group five, we have Mubarak Mubarak Hussain. Okay, and you all scored 200. I mean, we have our co-mentors here, and they can simply just tell you in the group, or maybe you can just chat with them that how difficult it is to get 200. So all of you who've scored 200, you've done really really well. I mean, I cannot think of words to define your commitment. It was all on time. There might be more people with 200, but you did it right and you did it on time. So everything was counted. You also joined classes, attendance, everything. So it's not just that you scored 200 in the assignment. You did it on time, and you attended everything. You were helpful. So we are sort of monitoring everything to recognize these people. So guys, can we again have some uh, you know congratulations and cheers in the group, in the chat? Uh, so that is what I wanted to share. If you have any questions, anything that you feel I can help you with, now I'm open to questions because I see a lot of questions in my chat. Why not just take this time and address them here? Good job, guys. All your certificates. Can we see our scores, please? Actually, again, I'm so sorry to say because it's coming a little late, but we are building a leaderboard, and as soon as we have this ready, actually it's a little difficult to combine all the sheets from attendance, your scores, and everything to put in a single sheet without any problem, right? So it's like a dashboard, leaderboard. So once we have that ready, we will post it. Just give us 2 or 3 days. Everything will be there. Okay. Any other questions, guys? Okay. Finally, I just want to share that we have our reshuffling 2 going on. If any of you or whoever is on YouTube, if you are someone who wants to get into this cohort, there are guidelines posted by Pravin, by me. You can just complete all your assignments, and if we see that you have done all the assignments till now, we'll of course we'll consider you, and we are going to close this last reshuffling uh, by the end of this the coming week, right? So I'm giving you that time. I know that it's a lot, so let's do it, right? There are certain people who have gone inactive in the existing cohort, and we just want to replace them with the ones who are doing it, even though they are not sure that whether or not they'll get in, right? So it's time to recognize the people who actually take it seriously. Uh, Lastly, I just want to thank all my co-mentors because you've done a really good job. Cannot think of uh, I cannot think of doing it. I mean, doing it alone or doing it with just 1 or 2%, right? You have made it happen, and I again very grateful. So, guys, it's time to recognize your co-mentors also. Maybe Praveen will have a few more words. Uh, Praveen, over to you.
Yeah, Akash, thank you so much. And once again, congratulations, all champions of the week 2. Guys, great work, amazing work. Okay. As Akash was saying, getting these points is not easy. And just be proud of yourself. And now, once you are champion, once again, you are champion. And try to be the champion throughout this whole program. So that is the most important things. And other people who are not it, so there is the opportunities waiting for you. So keep pushing, keep going. That's the only way of making a difference. So please do that. And whenever you need any help, any suggestions, I am here. Akash is here. All your commenters are here. And once again, thanks a lot. Huge thanks to our commenters. Everyone, could you please turn on your video quickly? Turn on your videos, everyone. I want videos from everyone. And this is for our co-mentors. So everyone turn on the videos and go ahead and give hearts to your co-mentor. There's the emoji hearts on the your screen. Give heart to your co-mentor. Thank you so much. Thank you. All co-mentors deserve this. Guys, they're putting a lot of hard work to review your assignments, and they're giving the notes. Okay, some of the your co-mentor giving very detailed notes and the feedbacks, and that's amazing work. Means this whole cohort is not possible without their support. So huge respect, gratitude, and a lot of love. Thank you so much, my amazing, lovely commenters. Great. So with that notes, one important thing. When Akash was saying about the case study, so I'm not sure how many of you are aware of these case studies. So everyone, please focus and listen carefully. So case study is a very detailed documentation, hands-on, practical presentation of any real-time work what we do. So if you go and look at Amazon Web Services uh, websites in their blogs, so there you will see case studies. Let me give you an example. So when I was doing database migration from IBM DB2 to Aurora, RDS Aurora, and before that there was no enough articles, blog published before. It was very hard for us. It was very challenging. We learned a lot, and once we did that, then we have done the case studies. So we have created case studies out of that. And similar, okay, and then it was the in cooperation with my organization and Amazon Web Services. Okay, and again, I was from the consulting company. There was also people from our customer sites. So this was the three organizations work. So we sit together, then we created these case studies. So what was challenges, what we have solved, and what was the outcome. So other people in the industry can look into that and follow that. Now you can do similar things. So if you people are interested, so what I can do, I can go ahead and try to find some good open source project from the GitHub, really some good open source project, and I will make a list of 3 to 4 good project. And then what you people do within your team, you will ask, hey guys, now I'm thinking to pick this project. Okay, someone say I'm trying to pick this project. So in your group, you will pick one project from there. Then as a team, you will work. So what you can do, you can distribute some of the task, right? So take an example. So let's say if you picked a e-commerce platform I have given. So there is a lot of things need to be done, correct? So one is deploying everything in the AWS. That is one task. Another task, deploying this whole application in the Azure. Other task could be creating whole infrastructure with the Terraform. Next task could be doing all application configuration with the Ansible. Next task could be doing containerization of this application. Next could be doing orchestration with the Kubernetes. And last could be setting up the monitoring and the logging. Now, if you see for one project, there is a 5 to 6 task, right? So you 5 to 6 people, or maybe 2 to 3 people distribute, hey, I'm going to do this part. Someone will say, I will take care of this part. Someone will say, I will take care of this part. And everybody do their part, and they will create a good document, right? Then at the end, you all will put your all documentation, right? Your all challenges, all learnings, and then you present this whole case studies, right? Then what we can do on the maybe our graduation day, you people will come forward and present your solution, right? In front of this whole community. And amazing. Now imagine what I'm saying, not simple project. I'm going to give you some really good project. And this kind of good project with such a detailed documentation, if you go and share to your any potential employer, hiring manager, guys, it will be mind blowing. It will be impressive. And this is what we need. What you are showing a real time application. You are showing a detailed documentation. You are showing a teamwork. So what do I need as a team member, right? This is most important things I will be looking from my new hiree, right? So guys, if you are interested, if you think this is exciting idea, type boom in the chat box, and I will go ahead and create list of such project, and you guys can work as a team, create a case studies, okay? And you have amazing co-mentors to support you, right? So if you are stuck, you need any help, right? They will also help you out. Wow, I see boom there. Thank you so much. Amazing. You guys are lovely. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Perfect. Super guys. Thank you so much. So I think that's all for the day from my side. Akash, anything you want to add?
Uh, Hi. No, Praveen, I think we are good for today. Maybe just one last thing. So we have been thinking about taking anonymous feedback, right? So we want to understand maybe a little bit more critical or want you to be a little more honest. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put in two links in your Discord group. For everyone outside in the cohort or outside. You just let us know what's going good for you, what is it that we can improve, uh, and if you have ideas as to how we can improve it, most welcome. If we like your idea, we'll reach out to you and see if we can figure out a way to make it better for everyone. Okay, so this is a feedback, and of course, the last one that I talked about is the team lead for each group. Okay, so these are two things I'm going to do.
Perfect. Super. So guys, when we say honest feedback means honest feedback. Okay. So in this form, we are not going to collect your name. We are not going to collect your email ID. So Akash, let's make it open. So whatever you feel bad, what bad, I'm open to hear, listen. Okay. And what good you think, good, mostly I know what good I'm doing. Okay. And if you appreciate, it's good, but I'm more interested knowing the bad things. Okay, what you think is not working well, what is going wrong. Okay, and what could be improved. So let us know. We are open, coming with the open heart, open minded to listen you and make this coming 5 to 6 7 weeks more fruitful for everyone. So please write the open feedback and give the open comment. We are going to look into that. The second point, as Akash said, we need these leaderships from each groups. So please go ahead and nominate yourself, and we'll give the special credit to you. And with that notes, before we stop, maybe any of the commenters want to add, share anything, how things going in your group, any reflection or any comments. So I think let's give the stage to you as well.
Yeah,
People are
I'm going to
asking for
put
the
in the
attendance.
final attendance also. Thank you. Thank you, Zaidan.
So any reflection from the Abhishek, Pravin, Pandey? So I think you guys are putting a lot of
Uh,
efforts. How
sir,
things going?
everything is going smoothly. I want to listen from our student side. If there is any concern, anything you want to add, so please let us know. We give you some time. We can discuss here. I mean,
Yes, exactly. Floor is for everyone.
yes. Please share your thoughts. I mean, what's going on and how you satisfy with these assignments and all these things.
I think people
Any
are not going to speak up.
mm, any thought will be appreciated.
Is it an iPhone? Looks like.
Yes, Jenny, please go ahead.
Oh, no, I'm not prepared. Okay.
I think she's unmuted accidentally, so she don't want to speak.
Okay, so when we are going to start this project, you are just saying we have to start some project.
Yeah, so I will spend some time today or maybe
Mm,
tomorrow, and I will try to find the 4 to at least 5 good project. Okay,
mhm.
so maybe each team can pick the different project. Okay, so guys, let me spend some quality time and bring the project so you can work on them on that. Maybe I think It's just is coming while I'm talking, right? So again, when you create the case studies, so you have your co-mentors, right? And you can mention their names, so they will be leadings. I think that's also will be good for. I think it's good for
It's
everyone.
fine. Though I don't know what is fine for your eyes.
Chini, you want to speak,
Okay.
or it was by mistake? It's by mistake. No problem. Abhishek, how things going from your side? I see you are also getting super active in your
Yeah,
group.
things are going well.
Nice,
Yeah.
great, great.
Um, I had a I had a suggestion. Since you mentioned about the case study and all, I was thinking if you could make like a short video or something with some tips, tools we could use on how we could coordinate and how we can contribute to these open source projects, since it's like a new concept. And I'm assuming these open source projects will be on GitHub, right? So how we can contribute in a proper professional way to these open source projects. If you could make a video on it, if you have the time.
Good, very good point. I will do that. So when I'm going to find uh, make the final list of the project, okay. So I'll create a small guidelines, so we can track everything. Who is contributing, what contributing. I think now we have the Git. We knew the version control. So I think let's do that. Very good point. Okay, I will do that. Super, amazing. Okay, well, I think now we are done, guys. It's again a long day for all of you. And as I said, this is a bit relaxed week, and only idea is making bit relaxed for you to go in the active learning phase. Watch those YouTube videos. Make sure you know what you have already learned. Okay, get mastery, and from the next week is going to be super busy once again. So all the best, and I wish you great rest of the day and the weekend. Please relax, sleep well, rest today. Again, start working from tomorrow. Thank you so much. Bye bye.
Thank you all. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank
Yeah,
you.
thank you,
Bye bye.
Praveen. Thank you all.
Bye bye.
Thank you.
Bye.